Welcome back. We are now introducing a powerful and elegant programming technique called recursion. Recursion is a method where a function solves a problem by calling itself one or more times until a specific condition is met. Think of it like a set of Russian nesting dolls, where each doll is solved by looking at the smaller doll inside. 1. Definition of recursion. In simple terms, a function is recursive if it includes a call to itself in its own body. Recursion is often used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller, identical subproblems, such as calculating factorials or traversing tree structures. 2. Essential components of recursion. To prevent a function from calling itself infinitely, which would crash the program, every recursive function must have two fundamental parts. First, the base case, which is the stopping condition. When this condition is met, the function stops calling itself and returns a result. Second, the recursive step, which is the part where the function calls itself with a slightly simpler or smaller input, moving toward the base case. Three, the danger of infinite recursion. If you forget to define a correct base case, or if the recursive step never reaches the base case, the function will call itself forever. This rapidly consumes memory on the system call stack, leading to a recursion error, which limits Python's recursion depth to typically around 1,000 calls. To summarize, recursion is an alternative to iteration for solving repetitive problems. The correct base case is non-negotiable. It is the safety brake that prevents your program from running indefinitely. Our next lecture 12, 13. Recursion. See you there.